Hi, if you want to use the Expert Advisor that is built in this video, just click the download link below.
In this video, we are going to create an Expert Advisor that displays the bearish power indicator value directly on the chart. This will help us monitor bearish market pressure in real time without needing to open a separate indicator window. Let's see how we can do that. First, we start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon in Metatrader or by pressing F4. This opens the Metaeditor where we can write our MQL code. We create a new Expert Advisor file and begin with the OnTick function. This function runs every time a new tick arrives in the market, making it perfect for real-time calculations and updates. Inside the OnTick function, we start by creating an array to store price values. We declare a dynamic array called myPriceArray using the double data type. The empty square brackets indicate this is a dynamic array that can resize as needed. Next, we define the properties for our bearish power indicator. We create an integer variable called bearish power definition and assign it the result of the iBearish power function. This function takes several parameters. Underscore symbol uses the current chart symbol, underscore period uses the current time frame, and 13 sets the calculation period to 13 candles. This creates our bearish power indicator handle that we can reference later. To ensure our array reads data correctly from the most recent candle backwards, we use ArraySetAsSeries. This function takes two parameters. myPriceArray is our price array, and true tells the system to sort the array from the current candle downwards. This means index 0 will always contain the most recent candle's data. Now we populate our array with actual indicator values using copyBuffer. This function copies data from our indicator into our array. The parameters are: bearish power definition is our indicator handle, 0 specifies we want the main buffer, bearish power has only one buffer, 0 starts copying from the current candle, 3 means we want to copy 3 values starting from that position, and myPriceArray is where the data will be stored. We then extract the current bearish power value by accessing the first element of our array. We create a float variable called bearish power value and assign it the value at myPriceArray index 0. This gives us the most recent bearish power calculation. Finally, we display this value on the chart using the comment function. This function takes two parameters, the text string bearish power value and the actual bearish power value variable. This creates a text display in the top left corner of the chart that updates with every new tick, showing the current bearish power value. After writing all this code, we press F7 to compile the Expert Advisor. The compilation process checks for any syntax errors and creates the executable file that Metatrader can use. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you might want to check out the premium course on our website, or watch one of the basic videos first to get a better foundation in MQL programming. Once compilation succeeds, we go back to Metatrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metatrader, we press Ctrl and are to open the strategy tester. Here we select our newly created Expert Advisor from the list, enable visual mode to see the chart, and start a strategy test. This will run our Expert Advisor on historical data so we can see how it displays the bearish power values. When the test runs, we should see the Expert Advisor on the chart with the bearish power value updating in the top left corner as each new candle forms. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, feel free to send us an email with your suggestions. Today we learned how to create an Expert Advisor that displays the bearish power indicator value directly on the chart. You have now coded this yourself using just a few lines of MQL code, demonstrating how simple it can be to create useful trading tools. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.